Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 3rd of January 2018. Okay guys, let's start today's discussion from Great Britain Pound JPY. So this is the last pair of my signals report. So guys, you know that the price was going up from many days, and even I have highlighted that this is not the natural rhythm of the market, that it is going up and it will keep on going up like this. No, I have also talked about this thing in my previous video. So guys, today again I have supplied the bearish signal to my subscribers. 152843 was the entry, and guys, you can see that right from the entry the market started to make the bearish pattern, and it is still going bearish. And the next targeted price is 152017. So those traders who have taken the trade in the morning on Great Britain Pound JPY, as per the signals report, they should be in very good profits because it was a very easy signal. And if you look at here, if you have prepared the trend line like this, then you will see after the upward trend we have a dodgy here. That was a sign of a trend reversal. We also have a hammer a few hours ago, and these both were the signs of a trend reversal. And after that we have seen a significant downfall on Great Britain Pound JPY. Okay, now let's talk about EURUSD. It's on the way. This signal is not fully expired till now because this is the first signal of my signals report. I have supplied the bearish trend. Entry was 120640, and right below the entry you can see the market started to make a bearish pattern, and it's on the way towards the downward pressure. And I have highlighted about this thing in my yesterday video. And guys, if you look at here, if I draw the trend line on the 4-hour chart, then you will find one thing, that we have a complete upward trend. Now we are getting signs of a bearish trend on the basis of 4-hour on EURUSD. So guys, this is not a good time to buy a pair on EURUSD. It's a good time to sell. And guys, if it continues to go down like this, then the next level could be a 119510, and you can see that it is already drawn on my chart. So guys, be careful, because I am highlighting these things from some days, that you need to be very careful while trading, because this is the first week of the new month, and it's a new year, so we can expect a lot of deception in the market. Okay guys, in case of USDJPY, I have supplied the bullish signal from my side. It is closed at my end, but guys, if we talk about the things on USDJPY, I'm looking things to be bullish. 112220 is the entry, and if it continues to be bullish like this, then it can go up to 112767. Right now you can see that it's just leaning on the level, but if you look at the 4-hour chart, then things are very clear, because we have a downward trend already, and now it could be the time for the market to go up. So be careful with this. Selling at these levels is not wise at the moment, but daily chart is signaling us a sell position on USDJPY. So guys, just note that, because this is not a very much confident signal, but I'm just telling you, if the market stays below 111220, then only we can expect a downward trend. Otherwise, because on the 4-hour chart we are looking things to be bullish. But if it follow the daily pattern, then guys, just note down the level that I have already explained, 111220. Below that level we can expect a bearish trend, and the market can follow the daily candle. Okay, now let's talk about a USD Canadian dollar here. Okay, so different signal was supplied today. I have supplied the bullish signal in case of USD Canadian dollar. It was going down from some days, but today I have changed my mind. 1253,130 is the entry, and it can go up today. And if it continues to go up, then the next price can be 125844. So overall guys, we have seen a lot of downward pressure, and I'm hoping that this pressure could last from here, and now we can expect some upward trend on USD Canadian dollar. At last, USDCHF signal is already satisfied. It's on the way, and it has already given some pips to the subscribers. 097202 was the entry. Bullish signal was supplied, and right from the entry the market started making a bullish pattern, and you can clearly see it's towards the next target, 097885. It's on the way. So why I have given a bullish signal against the trend? If you look at here on the 1-hour chart, then things are completely down. But again, what I was looking on USD Canadian dollar, that is what I'm looking on. I was looking in the morning on USDCHF. Price is already very much down. It's not wise to sell any pair when the price is already down. So guys, that's why we have seen a bullish candles here. These are some situations where buyer takes their interest in buying the opportunities on the pair. So you need to understand this concept, that we are not going to buy any pair at a high price, and we are not going to sell any pair when the price is already low. At last, a very good trade on Great Britain Pound USD, and hopefully all subscribers must have caught the trade, because it was a very simple signal from my side. a complete downward trend was predicted from my side. A bearish trend was expected. 136131 was the entry, and right from the entry, guys, you can clearly see the market started making a bearish pattern. And even I have talked about this thing in my previous videos. Just follow the same approach. If you put the trend line, the market is completely up, and look at here, we have seen two dojis. That was a sign of a trend reversal, and now you can compare the next three candles, it's down, and that's what I have seen in the morning on the same on the basis of price action, because I was not expecting a further upward move on Great Britain pound USD. Because if you have a look on the 4-hour chart, it was completely up. And guys, even if you have a look on the daily chart, the market was way up. It was not wise to buy the pair. So that is why I have supplied the bearish signal. I was stuck to my decision, and that was important. And I think that those subscribers who understand that how I give signals, they must be in very good profits, because it is a very easy method that I'm giving on a daily basis. Okay, two of the signals are not discussed. I'm going to highlight this thing here. New Zealand USD is bearish. If it goes below 071023, you can note down the signal. And at last, I have a bearish expectation in case of AUD USD. If it goes below 078263, then guys, we can expect a downward trend. The price has already moved so much high on AUD USD and New Zealand USD. It's not a good zone to buy the pair. It's better if they do not take a U-turn. There is no need to trade that pair. It's better to skip the pair for the day. But guys, we are not going to buy anything when the price is already so high. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. Moreover, for the newcomers, you need to buy the pair as per the trading system when it comes into the lower red boundary and it starts giving you bullish confirmations. Like you can see here, you can buy the pair, and when it gives you sell signals at the top red boundary, if you are getting bearish confirmations, then you can sell the pair. This is how we use the trading system. Moreover, guys, this is all about the today's analysis, and I hope that most of the subscribers have made good profits by trading the signals today. So guys, if you're looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, if you want to request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, or you want to get the trading system from me, then you need to email me on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.